Like Papa Elegua is the deity of the crossroads. Namdu between the spirit world and our world, and ಅವರು ಗವರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ರೋಡ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದಾರಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೀಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ದ ರೋಡ್ಸ್. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಹಿ ವೋಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ದ ರೋಡ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ರೋಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. He will open a road and it's up to you whether you walk on it or no. But he will open a road. Wow. And that will be the road that will be phenomenal for you. That road will lead you to you don't even know where.
The miracles behind this temple of miracles, if you have to name a few.
I think hundreds of miracles. Hundreds, or I don't know.
I can't do 100 episodes of podcast now.
Yeah. You know, we've had people who were jobless, who came, lit a candle, put a prayer request. Aur keltare nange, you know, I want a job happens. There was a person who got a thing from their company that they're going to get laid off. They're not found another job, nothing has happened yet. Same company reabsorbs that person.
Oh, the same company. Wow.
Same company. Crazy miracles like that. Then one person got laid off the job and then puts a prayer request. By the time he serves his notice period, gets another job, such a smooth transition that he did not even have to like be jobless for like a week. Like straight away from being laid off to another job.
It's like a smooth transition.
And one of the craziest miracles is people having a child. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, people have come and done a ritual. ನಮ್ಮದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈವನ್ ವಿತ್ ಆರ್ ಡೇಟಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರಿಚುವಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ವೇರ್ ಯು ನೋ ವಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಡೇಟಿ. ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಟೆಂಪಲ್, ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ once a month or you know once in a few months, when someone has like some very serious issue, we do something called a road opener ritual. Adu dari open madodu. Or for someone who has had some, you know, someone has done some dark magic on them, to remove that. So they, you know, they come, they give the offering, they get a big ritual done. That our time nalli nan channel madodu. That's when, you know, we get the answers. So many people ask questions from Elegua, like, you know, they'll ask something, he will never give sometimes he'll just give yes no answer, sometimes very very cryptic answer, sometimes in Hindi, sometimes in English. Okay, because he can speak in any language. So some of the miracles that have happened is once we did a ritual for 2 clients at the same time. Both of them were Christians, and there were the offering now ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, that ನಾವು we can't use that.
Correct.
ನಾವು ಅದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು.
Okay.
So all that offering ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we put it on the cross road.
Okay.
So that time we used to tell the client ki, you know, ನೀವೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದು offering.
You only, yeah.
When you do it, it's good. But many people don't know the procedure, because you have to put the offering, say some prayers, and then you walk straight away and don't look back.
Okay.
Many people miss that or something. So we feel that it's better we only do it. ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. So that one time, there is an old man outside our office with a red shirt. I still have the video. I can show it to you.
Wow. Okay.
I'll show it to you.
Can we play it in the show as well?
Yeah, we can play it. I can send it to you.
Okay.
So there's this really old man. He's drunk. So the deity usually comes into a person, like in human form. That human is not Elegua.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
But he will find a suitable, So one drunk man with a red shirt is sitting opposite our office on the road. And what happened is, in the morning, the ritual happens in the night from 12 to 3. That is the time of our deity. Like, that is the time he's available. His office hours are 12 to 3 in the night. So we did our ritual. We finish usually at 6-7 in the morning. We go home, we sleep, and then we wake up in the afternoon only. So the client came in the morning. My mother gives 2 bags to one client to do the offering. The other client, we didn't give the bags because they didn't know how to do it. So second client, 2 bag ittu. And my husband goes to that old man and he sends me a picture, photograph. Is this Papa? With love we call him Papa because his name is Papa Elegua. So now he asked me, "Yuru Papa?" Then I said, I saw the photo. I said yes, because I can recognize him instantly. And then my husband goes and tries to talk to him, and he says in Tamil, "Inna rendu box enge?" He asks in Tamil.
Inna rendu box elle.
He asks in Tamil, "Inna rendu box enge? Where is the other 2 boxes?" And it's there in the video. We'll play it, okay? Where you can play that. And so basically there were 4 bags of offering. 2 bags were given to one client in the morning. My mother gave it, and there were only 2 left. When my husband said, what should I give him? He's Papa in human form. I said, give him the offering. That's his offering. He's literally come to take it. And then he gives it those 2 bags and he says, inna 2 box inge. And my husband was like shocked, like, why is he asking where are the other 2 boxes? You know, of offering.
Wow.
Because it's his offering. He wanted all his 4. And we were like, you know, that was the first time we actually like experienced that miracle.
என்னடா இன்னும் 2 பாக்ஸ் இல்லைடா இன்னும் 2 அம்மே ஐ கேம் இன் நோ
ತಮಿಳ್ ತೆರೆಯೋದು ತಮಿಳ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ
ಅಮ್ಮ ಬೇಸನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು
Then he comes to the office. We are having a meetup, okay? And he comes there, and I look outside the window. Someone says, you know, he's there, or my husband says he's there. And I tell everyone, all the devotees of Nam Temple Nalli, we are talking about different things. Once a month we do meditation, this, that. I'm telling them, that is Papa in human form. Avaru ellaru kelgade hogiddu. They're all giving something or the other. One person's buying him masala dosa, one person is buying him some chocolate, something or the other. One of the devotees and clients, he had an accident a few months ago.
Okay.
He got mugged in Victoria Layout.
Okay.
Some thieves came and tried to do something, and then they chopped something with a knife, and his finger ka corner was chipped like that. Like he didn't have any sensation in his hands. So he goes down and he's just thinking, this old man holds his hand, okay? This person's name is Varun, and he is so open about that miracle. That's why I'm taking his name. He's also, now he's a team member.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So he holds his hand. He removes some oil from his bag. This old beggar kind of man, okay? He removes some oil from his thing. He puts it on his hand and starts massaging his hand. And he says, your hands are very weak. That guy almost, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಶಾಕ್ ಆಯಿತು. Then there's that other client, Krishna Iyer. She's with her, you know, her family in the car. And then, you know, he says, he calls her husband by some name, nickname.
Okay.
Everyone is flabbergasted because only in their house they know that pet name.
Wow.
I don't know that pet name. I'm not spoken to that old man. I'm upstairs in the office.
Okay.
And ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, he's calling him by his name, his nickname, which no one else knows.
Nobody else know.
No one else knows. वो घर का नाम होता है ना, like that
Yeah,
house
nickname.
name.
Yeah, some Chintu, Pintu.
Chintu, Pintu, like
yeah.
that. I can't remember the name, but she called his name. He called his name and calls him by his nickname. And she was also a very staunch devotee. She still is. And she was like shocked. So everyone who went up to him, he said something to them that made sense only to that person, which no one else knew.
And today, where is he? No.
Then you know, he will keep going in different people. So sometimes you'll see him at the traffic signal. Sometimes you'll see him, you know, somewhere else. And when you have to look into his eyes, if you have faith, you look into his eyes, you'll know. He'll come to give darshan only to you.
I think.
And at that point of time, you have to give him something. You have to give no money. ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡಿ, ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡಿ. Not money, because money goes to the human being. But the food, whether it's water, whether it's a chocolate, whether it is an aloo bun, it's just going to the deity.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.